What historical events shaped fjord geography in Scandinavia? Have you ever wondered how the stunning fjords of Scandinavia came to be? The story of their formation is a fascinating journey through time, shaped by various geological events. Let's take a closer look at the historical events that have influenced the geography of these remarkable features. First, we need to go back to the Tertiary Period, which lasted from approximately 66 million to 2.6 million years ago. During this time, the land in western Norway experienced significant uplift and tilting. This uplift created elevated terrain, and rivers began to carve deep valleys into the landscape. These valleys would later play a vital role in the formation of fjords as glaciers moved through them. Next, we have the Caledonian mountain building event, which left behind fractures in the bedrock. These fractures guided the movement of glaciers and influenced how fjords formed. For example, in Hardangerfjord, the glacier movement followed these fractures. However, not all fjords align with these patterns, as seen in Sognefjord, which has a different direction. The hard bedrock along Norway's coast provided the strength needed for fjords to develop steep walls. The most significant shaping of fjords occurred during the Quaternary Period, which began 2.6 million years ago and continues today. During this time, thick ice sheets covered Scandinavia multiple times. Glaciers carved out the deep, narrow valleys we now associate with fjords. They eroded the bedrock through processes like plucking and abrasion, deepening the valleys and creating unique features like overdeepened basins. After the glaciers retreated at the end of the last ice age, the land began to rise due to a process known as isostatic rebound. This uplift continues today, especially in western Norway, affecting the elevation of fjords relative to sea level. Additionally, tectonic activity during the Cenozoic era influenced the fjord landscape. Faulting and the formation of features like the Norwegian Channel created zones of weakness that glaciers exploited. The land was uplifted and tilted eastward during this time, further shaping the fjord geography. In summary, the fjords of Scandinavia are the result of a complex interplay of geological processes, river erosion, extensive glacial carving, and ongoing land uplift. These events combine to create the dramatic fjords that define much of Norway's coastline and parts of Sweden and Denmark. Understanding these historical events helps us appreciate the natural beauty of the fjords and their significance in the Scandinavian landscape.